We'll see this question now. Determine the current I1 in the circuit. We need to determine the current I1. Same way we will write the directions I2 and I1. We'll write this I2 and I1, the directions of the current clockwise. Then what we will do, we'll write the KVL, using KVL we'll write the KVL to the left mesh. What you will get, 5 plus 2Vx minus 4 into I2 minus I1 minus 4I2 equals to 0. Then rearranging you will get this equation. Then if you see 5 equals to, after rearranging you get like this, 5 equals to minus 2Vx minus 4I1 plus 8I2. Where if you see Vx, the potential across this Vx 4 ohms, what it is, I2 minus I1. Okay, I2 minus I1. Okay, if you take I2 minus I1, then you need to substitute this Vx in this. Then you will get the value as 5 equals to 4I1, I1 equals to 5 by 4. I1 is equals to 1.25 ampere. Here, if you see, no need to write the equation for the right mesh. Why? Because you already got I1 value. We want I1 value in this circuit. If they ask I2 value also, then you need to write the equation for second mesh also and find the I2 value. Okay.